Hi you guys, I hope you're all doing well. I'm going to continue my brand recommendations part 2. None of this is sponsored. This is something that I personally prefer and use, and according to me it is safe as compared to a lot of fake products out there, something that I personally use and recommend. So feel free to have a look and see if something serves you. I genuinely have a list in front of me so that I don't skip on anything, and just in case if I'm not covering something in this video, I highly recommend you check out the first video because I might have already touched upon it. Okay, so the first product is aloe vera gel. I am yet to come across a brand that does it like 100% perfectly, and I do understand the kind of constraints that the manufacturers would have to go through. So if you have access to fresh aloe vera, nothing like it, but if you don't, I do have a brand which is known as Capiva, and I love the fact that they mention it is juiced within 4 hours of harvesting, which means, because later on the aloe vera would be start to lose its potency. When you look at the ingredients, it's pure aloe vera juice. It has citric acid, which is used to stabilize the product, and they also mentioned class 2 preservatives, which is less than 0.3%. Now understand, when we speak about preservatives, we have class 1, class 2, class 3. Class 1 being more on the natural side, so like your salt, sugar, vinegar, and then we have class 2, which is more on the chemical based. So we are looking at benzoates, nitrites, sulfides, and glycerides, potassium, and all of that stuff. So but we are talking in the units of ppm, so it's almost negligible. So this is something that I recommend. You can put it on your face, you can ingest it, eat it, apply it, bathe in it, so it's really good. When it comes to moisturizers, I have this brand known as La Flora Organics. This is their organic, 100% organic raw African unrefined shea butter. You can use it on body, you can use it on face, you can use it on hair. It's just really genuinely very moisturizing. So I 100% recommend this one, and it's available on Amazon very easily. Someone asked me about tea, body oil, and stuff, essential oils and stuff. So there is this brand known as Looms and Bees. I think they are doing some amazing work. So they have this turmeric haldi mix kind of handmade soap, so you should check that one out. Healthy noodles and pasta. I'm not really into healthy noodles and pasta and stuff, but I understand people can have different preferences. So there is a brand known as Mimo Organics. I'll put a link down below. Check it out. It has like 100% organic semolina, 100% organic beetroot, carrot, and turmeric. That's it. That's the only ingredient. So I think it's very safe even for kids, although I do prefer rice-based noodles. So I have this brand known as Meshi, and the only ingredients are rice flour, water, and salt. So this is something that I prefer, use, and recommend. Rice-based, very safe. You can give it to your kids as well. For nut butter, so your peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, pistachios, macadamia, anything, I think the Butternut Company is a really good brand. And when it comes to nut, you just want to make sure that the only ingredient, so let's say peanut butter, okay, so the only ingredient should be peanut butter. I also have this another brand known as Dhatu Organics. Amazing brand. This is their sprouted peanut butter, which is stone grounded, which means that it will just have and hold on to more of the nutrients. And ingredient is sprouted and roasted organic peanuts. That's about it. So you know that it's a good product. Okay, toothpaste. A lot of toothpaste are such a gimmick out there, but I definitely like this one. This is by Chiku. You will get this on firstcry.com. Very healthy for kids as well, and it tastes amazing. Like this literally smells and tastes like strawberry, and I look forward to brushing my teeth. When it comes to brush, I have been using the Oral Scape, so it's a good one. I like it. You can like massage, you can whiten your teeth, you can clean your teeth, and you can soften your teeth. So very fancy, amazing. I like it. And yeah, for toothbrush, this is what we have. Olive oil, it's too hot, man. Olive oil, I love this brand. I've been in love for forever. This is extra virgin olive oil, cold extraction. I 100% recommend it and prefer it. Very easily available on Amazon. I love this brand. Okay, sanitary pads. I think we are all familiar with Whisper and Stay Free. I have been recently using this one. This is Nua pad. It's without chemical, without perfumes. It's very safe. It's simple. Keep it simple, period. So I really like it. I recommend it. And yep, Nua sanitary napkins, it's great. Shampoo and conditioner, I have been in love. This is by Forest Essential. You can check out their shampoo, conditioner, hair oil. Amazing, brilliant, clean, Ayurvedic, smells delicious, amazing hair. This one really works. I also had this other brand known as the Moms Company. They also do great shampoo and conditioner, so that's good. Supplements, very quickly, someone asked me about iron supplement. This is the iron supplement that I have. I don't consume it, I just got it for trial, and I am not really a fan of iron supplements. Like amongst 100 people, I will find one person who would do well with iron, so you have to be very, very sure, especially with the quality. This is Solgar. A better brand would be Sidral, but it's not available. But if you can get your hands on it, that would be amazing. Okay, another brand for supplements is Pure Nutrition. So they have something known as ProGut, so you can use that for probiotics. There is a brand known as Health Aid. Even they do amazing probiotics, so I really like it. Someone asked me about coffee. I love coffee. I actually ended up making some for me, which, by the way, I use this one. This is NutriBullet. So this is the blender that I use. Okay, and for coffee, this is a great brand. It's Coffee Company, hand roasted, the cocoa and coffee company. It's organic. A lot of coffee is not organic and it doesn't work. Coffee is one of the most highly sprayed with chemicals and stuff, so you want to be very, very sure. And I really like this brand. It's very easily available online, and if you're in Ahmedabad, it's available in stores as well. 100% recommend this. Someone asked me about apple cider vinegar. Bragg, 100%. I drink it, I apply it, I bathe myself in it. It's just like ghee. So like, you know, firstly ghee and then apple cider vinegar. I 100% recommend this. They also do great nutritional yeast. If you are someone who is deficient in B vitamins, and if you want one good source, and if you don't want to do supplements, you can always do Bragg's nutritional yeast. I highly recommend it. Essential oils, Meraki Essential Oil is a good brand. I have personally met them. I personally know the owners, so they are doing really great work. And there is something known as Organics Mantra, ORGANIX Good work, amazing work. They are doing great for vitamin B12 and vitamin D3. So if you have seen the vitamin C video, this one, same brand, okay, J Life Sciences, they do great D3 and B12, amazing, brilliant. So you can always reach out for this one. Nuts and dry fruits. For dates in particular, I like El World. I prefer it. It's really tasty and amazing. Mystic Hills, they do great work when it comes to dry fruits. We have another brand known as Dhatu Organics. Amazing stuff. So the same thing that I showed you for peanut butter now. So the same brand, they do great dry fruits and stuff. Okay, so you can get it from there. Coconut milk cream water. So a lot of brands are not available in India, but they're the brand known as Nature's Organic. They do great coconut milk powder. We have so the ingredients that you want to look out for if you are getting a canned version of the coconut cream. So the 2 to 3 ingredients should be coconut kernel extract, water, and that's about it. So you just want 1 or 2 ingredients when it comes to coconut cream and stuff. So this is something, just take care of it. You don't need a lot of stabilizers and stuff. I think someone asked me about Epigamia yogurt. They have recently come out with coconut yogurt. I am yet to try it, but the minute I do it, you will hear about it. Plant protein, I have mentioned about this in my last video. I'll do it again. I love Sun Warrior. Okay, so like literally 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, so I recently got this one. This is pea protein. I was not eating peas earlier, but I've started eating them, so really like it, recommend it. 100%, very, very clean, 100% love it. Omega-3, again, go for the same brand, Pure Nutrition, like I said. So this is their Omega-3. I personally don't consume it, my mom takes it, so that's that there. Vitamin D, Solgar is a great brand. J Life is a good brand. Now, NOW Now is a great brand. And Uprise, there is a brand known as Uprise. It's available at pharmaceutical store and stuff. So that's a good brand as well. Someone asked me about teas. I love these few teas. Okay, so we have Only Leaf. I'm wearing too much green today. Organic India, Girnar, and Vahdam. I love this stuff. I literally have a box of Vahdam. It is gifted to me by a very dear friend. But yeah, Vahdam, they do great teas. For cocoa, we have So Rich Organics. I talked about this in my last video, but So Rich is good. We have Satwik for cacao. Great work, good work. I really like it. Okay, there is a brand known as Pure and Sure. For anyone who thinks that raw cacao powder is very raw and bitter for you, you can always do organic cocoa powder. Okay, amla powder, moringa powder. I love Satwik. They do great dehydrated powders and stuff, so I really like it. There is a brand known as the same thing, Nature's India Organic something. Even they do good work. We have Nature's Land for all of your basic herbs and spices, so you're like, you know, haldi, kali mirch, namak, saunf, etc. This one would be great. Someone asked me about hygiene wash. V Wash is good enough. I don't think they mention all of their ingredients, but it's quite good. We have something known as Pea Safe. Pea Safe, again, they only mention their active ingredients, but it's like lemongrass, witch hazel, and it balances the pH and stuff. So I have personally not used Pea Safe. I have personally used lactacid, but it has a lot of chemicals, so I'm not recommending that to you. But V Wash and Pea Safe is quite safe. Like, look, you know, just it, I feel it's safe. Again, gluten-free pasta and noodles. Mimo Organics, MIMMO Organics, safe for kids as well. Try it. Maybe I should give it a try too. I believe tomato ketchup. Heinz tomato ketchup is not tomato ketchup. You want to make it at home. I am yet to find a brand that is doing it brilliantly well, so I don't have a brand for that. Probiotics, again, Health Aid is a good brand. Pure Nutrition has a supplement known as ProGut. It's a good supplement. We have a brand known as Now, NOW. They also do great probiotics, so you can do that. You can also do liquid probiotics like Enterogermina. It's very easily available at any pharmaceutical store, so it works well. Yes. Blender, I said NutriBullet. I love this, recommend this, live this, breathe it. So this one is good. For utensils, when it comes to cooking, I prefer cast iron. A lot of people are against aluminium, but there is one rule with it, and that is if the aluminium is thick and it's not, you know, losing its shape, then it's quite safe for you to use. Prestige India's iron tawa are amazing. There is a brand known as Hadi. You should try their stone pots and stone cooker. It's amazing. Like, they do good work, and it's available on Amazon as well, so give that a go. Someone asked me about milk powder for kids. There is a brand known as Wakshi Organics. You should check them out. I will put their page link in the description below. Amazing, brilliant, very decent work. Highly recommend it. So for kids, just a quick heads up to all the moms out there, kudos to you. Always, you can always give them rice milk if organic A2 cow's milk is not available. There is whole science behind it, but rice milk works really well. Okay, when it comes to combining milk and foods together, the only thing that you can combine your fruits with when it comes to kids is almond milk or coconut water. These are the only two exceptions when we speak about combining fruit and milk for your growing child. If you have rice milk with fruits, that is something that we don't recommend because it can make the child system very acidic and bloated. Don't do a lot of protein based powders and you know, like growth stuff and everything. Believe me, the child's gut is so sensitive and it is still growing and evolving, so you don't really want to put that kind of pressure and chemicals and this kind of exposure to the child's gut. It would be very harmful in the long run, and you just want to be very careful. So you can do rice milk, you can do homemade cookies, you can do millets, you can do ragi cookies. Just make it at home. If you are using wheat, use a better quality wheat like Khapli wheat. Two Brothers is doing great work on that front, so just try to keep it as healthy as possible. And I believe that's about it. Someone asked me about deodorants. I have Juicy Chemistry and Tree Wear. I am not sure if you can see it, but I don't personally use these products. Okay, I don't use these products a lot, but it's essential oils and stuff, so it's really clean and pure. Regarding coffee masks and stuff, I don't yet have a brand that I have personally used for a while and I could say, oh, I love it, so I can't really comment on that. I have tried M Caffeine's coffee face mask because I am obsessed with coffee and this really smells delicious. It's not the cleanest product in the world. It has some nasty plus minus things, but it's quite safe as compared to a lot of other things. I have used this on my face. I I have not reached out it for the second time. So that's just my opinion. You can give it a go if you are a lover, lover of coffee. It might help you, but otherwise, yep. Oh, coconut flour. I have this coconut flour. You can very easily make milk out of this. It's so simple, and the only ingredient is 100% coconut. This is by the brand Lean Being, and this is keto coconut flour, good source of protein and fiber. I agree with them. It's amazing. It's great. It's not exactly a source of protein as much as it is for fat. Good fat. You need fat. Don't be scared of fat. Okay, so I think that's it from my front. I hope it helps, and if I have missed out on something, I might end up making a third video, but until then, take care.